Hey, this is Rob with South Main Travelers, and we are going to tour a grand suite on the Carnival Spirit. Okay, this is going to be a grand suite tour on the Carnival Spirit. So it should be pretty similar to all your Spirit class ships with maybe some furniture changes. But as you enter the door, you'll have a closet on your left as you're entering, or right, depending on which way the things are in. And it's a full-length closet. We've got a few things in here already. There's a desk over here on the left with a odd power outlet there. So there's not an outlet on this one handy at the desk. This lights up. There's some shelving here. It didn't light up. As you go in, you have a nice large sofa area with a table and a couple of chairs. Moving on around the room, you have, of course, your TV and a cabinet. All the cabinets have lights in them, and this is where your safe is. There's a set of drawers, 4 of those. Moves over to the bed, which were set up as for a king. If you look over here, there's a full-length closet beside the bed, and then another set of drawers. There's 8 drawers here, so plenty of space. Nice countertop. And as we enter into this room, here we go. There's a sink in here that does have a power outlet, a 110 outlet, as well as a European style outlet. 3 or 4 doors on the right. There's a little space underneath the sink, and then 4 doors on the left. Beyond that, another closet with a full-length hanging on the right and a shelf. And on the left, you will have several shelves. We go one more door here. This is the Grand Suite's bathroom. So as you enter, you'll see that there are 2 sinks, shelves on each side. You have a charging point for like a shaver. It'll trip real easy. You have a small soaker jacuzzi tub in here. It has removable shower head. You also have the clothes hanger for drying clothes. You have the corner toilet, but you also have a bidet. So these come with a bidet in the Grand Suite. And the last feature that I want to show you in the Grand Suite, and I do not want to leave out the balcony. The balcony is the full length of the room, so it's much wider, but it's also deeper. There's at least an additional 18 inches to 2 feet on this balcony, so it's very roomy. So this is Rob with South Main Travelers. I hope you enjoyed our tour of a grand suite on the Carnival Spirit. If you enjoyed the tour, like the video, subscribe to our page, check out the rest of our videos, and see if there's something else you don't like.